IPFS-based file storage access control and authentication model for secure data transfer using blockchain technique. Abstract. Large files cannot be efficiently stored on blockchains. On one hand side, the blockchain becomes bloated with data that has to be propagated within the blockchain network. Document. In document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. Results. This is the new user sign up page. Then add 3 different users so we can provide access between them. In below screen, adding user details, and any user can upload data and become data owner, and any user can get access from data owner and then click on submit button to store data in blockchain. In this page, sign up task completed, and similarly you can add many data owners and now click on user login. In below screen, owner is login, and after login will get secured data page. In this page, data owner can write some description and then upload file which has to share, and then he can see list of data requester, and from above data requester list he can select desired requester and generate keys to give access to them. This table data requester alias can view all details and then can click here, link to decrypt and download file. In graph, x-axis represents obey and propose algorithms and y-axis represents communication over or execution time, and in both algorithms propose has less communication overhead. Now log out and log in as Bob, and Bob don't have access keys so he cannot view files.